What's going on, guys? Take a look at this super badass Husqvarna 701 Enduro. I just attempted a live video, but the internet connection was shoddy and it cut off 3 or 4 times. So really quick, I just want to take you on a walk around of this really nicely set up 701 as a rally bike. We've got the Rade Garage rally kit on this bike that makes it look pretty amazing. Take a look at the cockpit or the windshield. This is going to eliminate any wind pressure up on your chest. It's also going to house his rally controls up here on the dash. So a couple of the neat key features of this particularly modded out 701 that I want to point out. He's running the Shinko 705 tires front and rear. It's going to give him awesome performance on the street, and he's going to be able to tackle some gravel roads. Pretty cool. As you can see, he's got his stand spools down here. He's got some fastway pegs. It's got an awesome skid plate here from P3. It's going to be a carbon fiber skid plate that's coming down and around. Now moving up, we're going to notice we have some RG axle sliders up here in the front. Double take mirrors, one of my absolute favorites. Man, I smash those things on my bikes all the time. Got some Cherubies handguards with the aluminum backbone. Definitely a mandatory thing if you're planning on falling over on these things, which absolutely happens a lot, actually. We got some adjustable levers here. We got the quad lock with the anti-vibration phone mount in here. So this allows this phone to be completely shielded from the vibration of the bike. I've actually destroyed 4 phones, at least the camera function of the phone. The focus in and out gets broken if you don't have vibration dampening. Dude, look at that. So pretty. We got the wings exhaust. Sounds awesome. And here we got some more bling for his countershaft cover there. Anyway, I just want to share with you one of the best setup 701s that I've seen in quite a while. This guy's done a really good job on this build. And Bradshaw, if you guys like this build, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more action with this bike, leave a comment down below. And as always, until next time, take care and ride safe out there.